In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Clickup Board View efficiently and effectively. Whether you're new to Clickup or looking to optimize your workspace, this guide will walk you through each step with ease. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Clickup website. Once there, you'll notice the Login button prominently displayed in the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. It's the gateway to your organized workflow. Next, you'll see an option to Continue with Google. Click on that and select your preferred Google account. This integration makes logging in very convenient, especially if you are juggling multiple platforms and need a seamless entry point. Once you've signed in, your dashboard will appear. On the left panel, you'll see your workspace. Click to enter your workspace where all your projects and tasks are housed. It's essentially your command center, giving you a comprehensive view of everything you're managing. Now, direct your attention to the top banner where you'll find the Board View option. Click on this, and immediately the Board View presents itself. It's a visual delight that lets you organize tasks into lists and track progress at a glance. This view is particularly helpful when you're managing projects with multiple phases or teams, offering a snapshot of current statuses and what needs attention. Once in the board view, you'll notice an option to add a task located at the top left. Click on it to begin entering a new task. An intuitive task dialog box will appear. Here, you can assign the task owner, an essential feature for teams to clearly define responsibility. Enter a due date so that timelines don't slip away unnoticed. Additionally, you can attach relevant files and add comprehensive descriptions to ensure that everyone involved has the necessary context and documents to proceed smoothly. As tasks evolve and progress, you have the flexibility to move tasks around on the board, dragging and dropping them into different groups that represent stages like in progress or completed. This move visually showcases task progression, keeping everyone in the loop without need for constant updates or emails. It's a dynamic way to adjust the board as the project takes shape and requirements shift. A little tip for maximizing the board view. If you need to categorize tasks further, consider adding a new group. Simply click on Add Group to the right. This functionality provides the extra granularity you may need for larger projects or more detailed workflow processes. And there you have it, a succinct guide to mastering the Clickup board view. It's designed to boost productivity by offering clarity and structure to your projects. Spend a bit of time familiarizing yourself with these steps, and you'll find your projects are not only more organized but also running more smoothly than before.